Imagine a breakthrough in genetic editing that could eliminate hereditary diseases forever. It sounds like a dream come true. But here's the question: just because we can, does it mean we should research that pushes boundaries? Comes with ethical questions that challenge even the most seasoned scientists. Studies show that as research advances, so do the ethical dilemmas researchers face. Take the famous case of the CRISPR babies in 2018, where gene editing was used to make babies immune to HIV. This groundbreaking experiment shocked the world. It highlighted the ethical gray areas of advanced research, sparking debates that continue to this day. Advanced research often brings up ethical questions. Here are some core ethical challenges researchers face today. When research involves people, informed consent is essential. But in fields like psychology, where subtle changes in behavior are studied, participants may not fully understand what they're consenting to. This can lead to ethical gray areas, especially when studying vulnerable populations like children or the elderly. With the rise of data-heavy research, especially in fields like artificial intelligence, researchers now handle enormous amounts of personal information. Ensuring privacy and data security is paramount. Ethical research requires keeping participants' data secure and using it responsibly, yet breaches continue to challenge even the best protocols. Research often pushes limits to bring breakthroughs. But sometimes, risks to participants or society arise. For example, studies involving human trials or untested technologies carry unknowns that could have unintended consequences. To help navigate these challenges, research institutions and organizations often establish institutional review boards (IRBs). Their role to ensure research is ethically sound before it even begins. IRBs serve as a checkpoint, reviewing proposed studies to assess potential ethical risks. They weigh the benefits of research against possible harm, ensuring researchers comply with ethical guidelines. They're an essential layer of accountability in advanced research. Different fields follow unique ethical standards. For example, clinical trials in medicine must adhere to strict protocols like the Declaration of Helsinki, while AI research is guided by emerging principles to ensure fairness, transparency, and respect for human rights. Fields like artificial intelligence and biotechnology pose unique ethical questions that other disciplines may not face. AI algorithms can unintentionally reinforce biases found in their training data. For example, facial recognition technology has been criticized for its lack of accuracy across diverse ethnic groups, raising concerns about discrimination. Ensuring fairness in AI is an ongoing challenge, as researchers work to minimize bias and improve transparency. In biotechnology, genetic editing techniques like CRISPR open possibilities for eliminating diseases but also raise concerns about designer babies or unintended genetic consequences. This raises ethical questions about how far we should go in altering natural human traits. Ethical standards can vary widely between cultures and countries. What's considered ethical in one country might be unacceptable in another. For instance, genetic research allowed in one country may be prohibited in another due to cultural or religious beliefs. Researchers face ethical dilemmas when working across borders, often needing to adhere to local standards while respecting universal ethical principles. Ultimately, the responsibility of making ethical choices lies with the researchers themselves. It's up to them to navigate these dilemmas with integrity, putting the well-being of participants and society first. Ethical research isn't just about following rules, it's about continuously questioning the potential impact of one's work. Researchers should regularly ask, is this beneficial to society and are there unintended consequences? Transparency builds trust. Being open about research goals, methods, and limitations fosters public trust and ensures the community understands the broader impact of the work. advanced research holds incredible potential to transform society. But as we push boundaries, ethical considerations must guide us. Researchers play a crucial role in balancing innovation with responsibility, ensuring that science advances not just in capability but in integrity. Innovate responsibly, advance with integrity.